We got to know about science, technology, business, except managing financial issues. Forensic accounting is a field of accounting dealing with legal proceedings and fraud, means manipulating financial records.
Now, I call upon our students to share some useful information about forensic accounting and fraud.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to present a topic on forensic accounting and fraud. We are inspired by a true story in the WorldCom, an American telecommunication company who have inflated their assets by $11 billion. This offense resulted in the loss of jobs over 30,000 employees and $180 billion loss for the investors. Scene 1. Here comes a student and a teacher entering into the firm.
Mr. Sam, thank you for helping me to get opportunity to interview one of the most well-known businessmen in our country. This interview will help me to get a better insight into the importance of financial management and accounting.
Don't mention it. He is my friend after all, and I am sure that he wouldn't mind about doing this interview. He has great satisfaction by helping out others.
Hello Sam, long time no see.
Yes, indeed.
So, how's life?
Well, right now I am a commerce teacher.
Nice. I see that you're doing the most noble profession, being a teacher and creating a future generation.
Yes.
So, you called in for some favor, right? Some interview?
Yeah, my student right here would like to interview you.
Hello, I'm Francis. Nice to meet you. So, what is this interview for?
Hello, sir. I'm a 10th graduate. I have been confused about what stream I should choose. I have been spending my holidays in different firms which specialize in different streams such as engineering and biology and much more to help me to get better insight. And I'm now here to talk to you about how financial management and accounting is helping your firm and how this will create an impact in our day-to-day life.
Well then, you have come to the right place. You see, we go through thousands of transactions every day, some big and some small. And it is necessary for us to record them for personal usage as well as legal usage. So that's where accounting comes in. Accounting is a process of recording transactions that can be measured in monetary terms.
Oh, interesting. Tell me more about it.
Well, if you'd like to know more, I think it's best you meet our firm's accountant. Let me introduce you to her.
Hello, I'm Zara. I'm the accountant of this firm. So tell me, what would you like to know?
So, I'm on a trip to find how accounting really is.
Nice. Okay, so let me tell you about it. Accounting measures a result of organizations' economic activities and convey this information to varieties of stakeholders, including investors, creditors, management, and regulators.
So, interesting. Can you tell me what are the process of accounting?
Gladly.
Hello, Mr. Francis. I would like to speak with you for a moment.
Not now. I'm in the middle of something.
It's urgent.
Look, I'm in the middle of something right now.
Please, Mr. Francis.
No, you just barged in here out of nowhere and started talking. So either leave this place at once or I'm going to call the police.
No, look, I know about all your secrets, dirty tactics and fraudulent activities.
What? What are you talking about?
I was employee of Unity Comms for over 5 years and recently fired with no probable cause. I found that I was one of 30,000 employees who are fired in a span of singular month. After some digging around and going through your company's profit and loss account, balance sheet, journals and ledgers, I found that the values doesn't match. And your company shows an inflated amount of revenue even though I know you're operating at a loss.
You're crazy. You don't know what you're talking about. So either leave this place at once or I'm going to call the police.
No, I'm not done. I'm going to expose you who you are and show the world the real you. I will seek justice for the 30,000 employees who are lost their job due to your fraudulent activities. I will see you in the court.
Yeah, I've heard a lot like this. Let's see this in court. I'm so sorry about what happened. I don't know what that was about.
No worries. Is this the right time to continue this interview?
I'm sorry, but I have to deal with this situation right now. But I can promise you this. I'll personally call you later on for this interview.
Okay, then I will see you later. Goodbye, Francis.
Goodbye, Sam.
Scene 2. The student and teacher having a conversation at the park right after the incident at the firm.
The situation at the firm was very crazy, right?
Yes. I never expected such accusation has thrown to such a great businessman.
I agree. I have a slight doubt though. I hope that you can clarify it for me.
Sure, go ahead.
The person who came in and spoke to Francis used terms like journal, ledgers and balance sheet. What are those?
Great question. So essentially, these are all the key process of accounting. Journal is a book in which transactions are recorded. The recorded transactions are transferred to ledger. Ledger is called the principal book of accounts.
So, journals and ledgers are the basis, right? Then what about a loss and profit account and balance sheet?
Profit and loss account is done to ascertain the net profit. Balance sheet is a statement which records the asset bond and liabilities bond by the enterprise.
So, these are all the final statements of a company, right?
Yes.
Nice.
Well, why don't we go and witness the case at court? I'm sure that it will make a lot of experience for you.
Sound like a great idea.
Okay, then I will see you in court. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Sam.
Scene 3. The victim and her lawyer gets called in for a meeting.
Please take your seat. My client would settle this problem before reaching it to the court.
Why is that so?
If it goes to the court, it will bring the firm bad reputation and we don't want that.
Why do you fear a bad reputation if you have nothing wrong?
Do you know media, right? They can easily twist information and make look us guilty. We don't want that.
Sure.
So the offer is job opportunity for your client and a compensation for their loss.
This is just for my client? What about 30,000 other people who lost their jobs? Where's their job offer and where's their compensation? Oh, that's right. You can't afford to employ them as you're at the brink of bankruptcy. Yet you showcase the world they're doing good by manipulating all your accounts, all that fraud to save your client, yet and throw the people's of all the other people's lives under the bus. Look, I've done all things to ensure the proper functioning of my company. So either accept this contract or just go to court.
Well, then, we will see in the court.
It'll probably held within a week. See you then.
Scene 4. The victim and Unity Comms are about to seek justice at the court. Honorable Judge proceeds the case.
Please be seated. Court is now in session. We call case number 1341, Victoria West Unity Comms. Is the plaintiff ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is the defense ready?
We are ready, Your Honor.
We'll now hear opening statements from the plaintiff.
Thank you, Your Honor. My name is Max, and today I will be representing Victoria here, and you will hear how Unity Comms, the defendant in this case, have performed fraudulent accounting activities, and these activities have led to the firing of my client, as well as 30,000 other employees. Therefore, we ask for a verdict of guilty. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Would the defendant like to give their opening statement, or would they like to wait until the prosecution rests the case?
We would like to give our opening statement now, Your Honor.
Please proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. I am Trailer and I am representing Unity Comms. Today you will hear how this accusation is false. We ask not for a verdict of guilty. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, defendant. Will the plaintiff please call their first witness?
Yes, Your Honor. We would like to call Ms. Zara, the firm's accountant, to the stands.
Ms. Zara, please take the stance. Do you swear to tell the truth and only the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Zara, please introduce yourself.
I'm Zara. I have been working in Unity Comms for the past 7 years as an accountant, and I manage all the accounts of the company.
Okay, tell me more about your profession.
As an accountant, I identify the financial transaction are recorded, classified, summarized, and interpreted to communicate the information.
Okay. So, do you agree that you follow orders of your superior, that is the firm owner?
Yes, I do.
So, do you agree that you follow orders regarding fraudulent activities from your superior?
Objection, Your Honor. He is testifying.
Sustained. Max, you may ask questions only.
Okay. Do you agree that you follow fraudulent activities from your superior?
I invoke my rights under the Fifth Amendment as it may incriminate me.
Why do you refuse to answer my question even though you say that you are not wrong?
Ms. Zara, you may leave. Does the plaintiff have any more witnesses to call?
No, Your Honor.
Will the defendant please call their first witness?
The defense call Miss Victoria to stand.
Miss Victoria, please take the stance. Do you swear to tell the truth and only the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Victoria, please introduce yourself.
I'm Victoria. I was employee of Unity Comms for over 5 years and recently fired along with other 30,000 employees due to fraud allegedly.
So, before you joined the company, you must have signed off on the contract, right?
Yes.
This is a copy of your contract. You can confirm that this is your signature.
Yes, I can.
So, before you signed the contract, you must have read it, right?
Yes, I did.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Well then, why have you brought us to the court today?
What?
It states in the contract that the company may or may not fire you without any pre-informed reason, which is not to be disclosed, and we are not to be taken to the court for any reason.
How do you expect me to notice that? It's written in a tiny text.
But you said you read it before you signed, and if you did, why we are at court now?
But you committed the fraud.
Your case is against the contract you signed.
But
Your Honor, I am done.
Miss Victoria, you may leave. Does the defendant have any other witnesses to call?
No, Your Honor.
Well then, it seems that as you are unable to prove any false practices, I find the defendant.
Your Honor, I would like to call Miss Francis, the firm owner, to the stands, please.
But you rest your case.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, but I believe that this will bring great insight in this case.
Mr. Francis, please come to the stands.
Why me? This is regarding the accounts of the company, right?
Mr. Francis, please follow the orders.
Fine, whatever. So, Mr. Francis, the CEO of Unity Comms, a telecommunications company. So, can you please explain what are the services and goods you sell?
It's simple, really. We provide communication services to large MNCs so they can have a wider contact with their consumers as well as their other branches.
Okay. What are the major companies?
So we sell services to companies such as Uber, AMD, Nvidia, TSMC, Chevron, etc.
All of them are major companies, right?
Most definitely.
Let's take Uber for now. This is the credit voucher that Uber purchased services from you for 7 crores.
Yes, I'm sure I remember that. It's one of the largest sales of a company.
Are you sure that you sold it for 7 crores?
Yes.
Then why does the debit voucher of the Uber show that it only shows that is sales for 5 crores?
I mean, the highest probability is that it must have been an accounting error.
Okay, let's take AMD for example. This is the
Journals.
These are the journals that AMD, right?
Yes, I can confirm that these are the journals of AMD.
It shows only monthly basis transactions, right?
Yes.
Okay, but why does the books of accounts in your company show that it only acquires products from you on a quarterly basis?
I mean, again, it must have been an
accounting error?
Sure. Yes. And what are you trying to infer? Are you trying to say I'm a cheat and a fraud?
I mean, if you weren't one, the journals would match up and the vouchers will be the same.
Look, I've been doing all functions properly, and I've done all that's taken to ensure the proper functioning of my company.
Okay, my bad. Let's look at the facts now.
Okay.
This is the balance sheet, right?
Yes, and what's wrong with it? All balances out and the values are correct, right?
Yeah, but I still can't wrap my head around one thing.
Oh yeah? What is it?
The value of the building is worth about 12 crores.
Yes.
But at a few external insights, the value of the building is only 4 to 5 crores.
Oh yeah? How am I supposed to trust your external insights?
You're right, but the values don't even match up.
Look, I've done all things to run my company properly. I have more than 1 lakh employees working under me and 80,000 investors to satisfy. So all that I have done is for a reason. And the firing of your client as well as 30,000 other employees is all for a reason that I don't have to explain to you. So do you have any more questions?
I'm not done yet. So in your organization, do you follow all the rules and procedures, right?
Yes.
So if you follow all the rules and procedures, the values would match up. Why don't they?
I don't know.
It's because you ordered your accountant to commit fraud, didn't you? You ordered her to alter the values of journals and inflate the value of your assets, didn't you?
I did what I had to.
Did you order your accountant to commit fraud?
You're right, I did. Look, the company has been at the brink of bankruptcy. I didn't know what I had to do. I had to ensure the proper functioning of my company. And 30,000 employees lost their job so that 90,000 employees could work. So I believe what I did was right.
You may think that it did good thing, but in crime, it's a crime. Your Honor, I am done.
Mr. Francis, you may leave. Does the defendant have any counter argument?
No, Your Honor.
Well then, I think we have come to a conclusion. And one more thing. Mr. Francis, before I sentence you, I just like to say one thing. Try running a business in a proper manner next time and make sure that you don't sacrifice the people who trusted you for your own benefit and safety.
Yes, Your Honor.
I hereby find the defendant guilty. The firm owner is sentenced to 25 years in jail and the firm accountant is sentenced to 10 years jail. This court is now dismissed.
Scene 5. The teacher and student are having a conversation outside the courtroom.
That was an intense case, right?
Yes, it was.
I have a doubt again.
Sure.
During the case, they spoke of other things such as vouchers, comparative statements, and accounting ratios. What are they?
Voucher is a document which evidencing the business transaction. These are 2 types, source voucher and accounting voucher.
So, these are the main base of drafting journals and ledgers, right? Then what about comparative statements and accounting ratios?
Comparative statement and accounting ratio are the financial statement analysis.
Now I understand the case that just happened. So the firm owner altered the journal, thereby affecting the financial statement analysis of the statements. So the firm were almost at the brink of bankruptcy.
Well said.
Wow, I never knew that accounting could be such an interesting topic and it would play a major role in our world. I also understand the consequences of manipulation of such accounts and how disastrous that can even be. Mr. Sam, I know what I'm going to do by my future.
What is that? I'm
going to become a forensic accountant and try my best to stop such fraudulent activities and work with the government to prevent such things.
I'm glad you found your purpose. I hope you succeed in your life.
Thank you, Mr. Sam, for helping me along this journey.
Don't mention it. That's what a great teacher does.
Being a teacher is truly the most noble profession and helping the students to achieve great success to a greater extent. And thank you, Mr. Sam.
We would like to wind up by saying that accounting fraud is not a one-time task, but a continuous process of risk assessment and adaptation. A successful strategy requires a proactive mindset, a commitment to ethical conduct, and the smart application of technology to build a resilient financial system. Accounting plays a vital role in our day-to-day life activities for both the individuals and businesses to keep track of their finances and prepare budgets according to their own needs. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. As we conclude today's session, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all those who made this event possible. A special thank you to our esteemed chairman sir in his absentia for his visionary ideas and contribution to enriching educational experiments. Thank you, sir. We are deeply grateful to our school correspondent, ma'am, for your guidance and expertise. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to thank our beloved principal, ma'am, for your constant support. Thank you, ma'am, for your continued support and encouragement. Thank you to the parents for your unwavering trust and support, and to our students for their enthusiasm and active participation in this meaningful session. Last but not the least, I thank all the teachers and the students for showing your interest. Thank you all, teachers and the students. Finally, to everyone present today, I thank for joining us and making this event a success. Your presence and support mean a lot, and we look forward to the exciting opportunities ahead for our students. Thank you.